This is Steven. He starts his morning by securing gear and PPE, going over his workload and priority levels of each repair, and joining his team for a morning huddle. Steven and his close-knit team take pride in their work and aim to provide their world-class fleet repair expertise. Steven loves that Carvana supplies diagnostic software, specialty tools, and $500 per year towards tools to each team member that makes their work safe, precise, and professional. When Steven has a question, he has a network of fellow technicians, managers, and trainers to help him on the spot. Steven and his team care about each other and have the support and facilities to ensure their safety. Just how Carvana makes sure Steven is safe at work, Steven makes sure our fleet is safe for the road. Diesel techs get a ton of perks like phone reimbursements, extra days off, and competitive health benefits. But that's not all. Carvana provides $500 per year for ASC certs and on-the-job training. Today, Steven gets his DTNA certification. With everything Steven and his team accomplished today, our trucks are safe to hit the road again. Steven's work is hard, but Steven knows and loves making things run. Steven is a diesel tech here at Carvana. If you or someone you know is interested in a diesel tech role, check out www.carvana.com/careers.